Hallo, Kimera Hashiv and Jew. Falcha gu Gaelic le Joseph. Agus Petofi mo chat. Ha pod chrúluch acum. Chrúluch. Ha pod chrúluch acum. Mo fod chrúluch. If I want to say I have a cat, I can say ha cat acum. If I say my cat, it becomes mo chat, because I have to put an H after the C, mo chat. And it's the same with podcast. Pod chrúluch becomes fod chrúluch. Fod. Mo fod chrúluch, because I have to put an H in after the P. Adding an H after the first letter is called Lenition, and there's a lot of rules about that in Gaelic, but all you need to know is if you're using mo, my, then there's an H goes in after the first letter of the next word. Pod chrúluch, fod chrúluch. Cat, chat. H after the C brings about the sound of loch, che, che, and H after the P brings about the sound of F, the same as phone, for example, or phonetics. So let's just try this again. Falcha gu Gaelic le Joseph agus Petofi mo chat, ha cat acum. Falcha gu mo fod chrúluch. Fod chrúluch. Falcha gu frod chrúluch. Ha pod chrúluch acum. The more you practice it, the easier it will get. I promise. Martian let